To make more informed decisions, users need to understand the structure behind financial instruments. One important concept is the underlying asset. An underlying asset is the primary reference item behind a structured contract. It may include commodities such as oil or gold, stocks, market indices like the S&P 500, or currency pairs. Changes in the value of this reference item can directly influence the performance of related instruments. SwayHorizonAi presents this information in a way that helps users better understand what they are reviewing. Instead of leaving key details unclear, the platform provides structured overviews for available options, including characteristics, reference identifiers, timeframes, and scheduling information. This kind of organization can help users plan more carefully and approach platform activity with better timing and stronger awareness. SwayHorizonAi also uses a simple visual system to show value fluctuations. Green highlights an increase, while red marks a decrease. This clear, color-coded approach allows users to recognize changes quickly and follow real-time data with less confusion. The platform also automatically adjusts display time to the user's local time zone. This helps keep activity schedules aligned with global cycles while making the experience more convenient and accurate.